Welcome back to the Cars, Cats, and Cannabis YouTube channel. We are in Traverse City, Michigan. Gonna walk around Lake Michigan here. We took the Platte Plains Trail. Might have the guy in there for you, but we're looking north along Lake Michigan. And unfortunately, my Bison is in the shop having some cosmetic damage repaired on the tailgate and rear bumper. We're here with G2 Skier and another friend from the ZR2 crew. I'm sure that you remember the Cheese Bread group. But we just been on some tight trails, and the vlog will be a little bit different today, but we are gonna walk out to Lake Michigan and see how it is this wintry day. So we're in the Sleeping Bear Dunes National Lakeshore, and we're walking out to Lake Michigan. We have so much more snow typically, but you can even see sand. You can see the dunes there in the distance. We have some lake effect snow about to roll in. So, just a gorgeous day. Welcome back. We are going up my famous hill here from that April 30th, 2018 video. Trying to get up this really steep part. So I'm gonna get out of the way so I don't get ran over. But we're gonna let ZR2, or what's his name? Greg, we are gonna let break trail because he's on 35s. Justin's on 32s. Justin got up, but we got just off the trail and we got stuck. So we are gonna see how the 35s, they both actually have the same tires, Falcon AT3Ws. Well, I think we might both have them both stuck now. Well, no, Greg's out, but I think Justin's stuck now. Too bad. Well, we'll see about getting them out, and then we'll come back to the hill climb, I guess. Can't believe he's stuck. This is some sticky snow. I'm just gonna give him a little Yankee Doodle, I think they call it. So now Z2 skiers kind of come up, and we're gonna follow them. Oh yeah. There, keep going. Go, go, go! Keep going, little buddy. Now I have to walk. something is wrong with this picture. I'm the one filming up the hill, and I'm the one that also gets to walk up the steep hill. But I'm glad we made it. Beautiful day out here. Well, we're trying to get through the snow here. Yep. Yes, sir. All the way down. Seatbelt. Secret location. Well, we just got to the top of the hill, and there's definitely some interesting smells going on that you cannot see through the camera. It's like burnt clutch, fluid, I don't know, who knows, but they're just a little bit toasty, little toasty burritos. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and notification bell. I don't upload that often. Hit the like button also if you want other people to see content like this that maybe they haven't seen before. Thank you so much for watching again, and have a wonderful day.